What is up, world? This is day 2. The job did get done. If you haven't seen the last video, make sure you do. The oil cooler is on the Mustang. What I'm going to do today is very simple, actually. First, I'm going to put on all the stickers for the race on, well, for the track day, I should say. I wish it was a race. For the track day this coming Saturday, and then I'll take it out on a mountain road to see how the oil cooler is holding up, because you don't want any leaks. Real important after you do a job like what I've done yesterday, that you check the oil, check the coolant level, of course, because you know, you just drained a bunch of stuff. But everything that I've done so far looks good. I'll show you now in the light. Hopefully you can see better. Kind of stealthy. If you're not looking for it, there's no way that you'll actually see it in there. Kind of where the hood latch is, you can see where the hose runs, and obviously under the car you can probably tell. But very, very stealthy install. Very happy with that. Can't see anything. Someone will know why I chose this number, aside from the fact that it was available, but let's get to installing it. So I have this leftover bottle of degreaser that I got from a plastic leak job I've done on my van a long time ago. It's going to probably work pretty good for not only positioning the sticker on there, but clean it out before I do it. So that's what I'm going to use. Now, for the location of where to put it, I kind of decided to do it like this. Right behind the doors. I think it looks cool, and put it in the middle of the car, it's kind of dumb. But right here, I think it would look a little bit neater, more like an airplane type deal. So that's what I'm going to do. Headline when I was driving before. A young couple blows up their brand new sports car on their way to Walmart. But no, so far so good. If you ever do this on your own, like I did, make sure you check your fluid level. It took 2 extra quarts of oil just to get it up to where it needs to be. So we're driving to Walmart to get some even more oil. All stickered up. I'll show you the stickers in some beauty shots later with the gimbal. That's why I brought it. Where we going? Mount Laguna. Mount Laguna is a very, very nice road, but don't come to it so that I have it all to myself. So, testing out the cooler. A little nervous, but so far we got here with no issues. I want to see for leaks. I'd much rather see that here than at the track. So I'm going to try to see if I can get a little bit of speed going. So don't judge me.
Judgment in progress.
Okay.
That's all.
Fast and sweaty socks, don't recommend it. But I have been to Redline